2017 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, bucket seats, child safety locks, fog lights, power door locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.